Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years here at Triple Tree. It's the 43rd annual Joe Nall. We're here on the float fly area. It's wonderful being out here. It's a nice breeze blowing over the lake. It's real cool, very scenic. We've got ourselves a gorgeous, fantastic Bushmaster here. Ooh, okay, what? Oh, okay, there it is right there. It is just crash Thursday here, folks. Not sure what happened. Didn't catch that going in, but there it is. Stay with us, folks. The crash coverage continues. Looks like the wings separated from the fuselage. Oh, my goodness. Goodness gracious. I thought I'd come up and shoot some nice photos of a beautiful lake with some airplanes over it. I didn't realize I'd get two crashes in a row. My goodness. You can see the wing floating right there, folks, right on top of the water. Looks like the wing just separated entirely. Over to the right is the fuselage. Still floating on the water. It really won't go under. Balsa's very buoyant, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. Plus, he's got the floats. Look like the fuselage is right underwater. Let me see if we can kind of zoom. It's a little tough to zoom in with the water there, but let's see what we can do. Folks, let me see if I can get a better angle for you from the dock. We'll be right back in a second. Stay tuned. Crash coverage continues here at Plain Fun RC. All right, folks, continuing our crash coverage here at the float fly. The wing is going to the right. Give it about 20-30 minutes, it'll probably be at the shore. And over to the immediate left, there's our fuselage, just kind of hanging out there. Ooh. Folks, you can see right here, they're getting ready to take the boat out to go through and recover the aircraft there. That's a nice thing about being here at Triple Tree. They give you an electric boat so you can go out and recover your airplanes, which is really very nice. There's our fuse. Let me see if I can locate the wing. There's the wing right there, just to the right. Stay with us, folks. Crash coverage continuing. While we're waiting, folks, if you're thinking about coming out to the Nall, either the Joe Nall or the Nall in the fall, a couple things I want to keep in mind. Make sure you bring a jacket with you. Well, it can be, you know, 70, 80, maybe even 90 degrees in the daytime. It can drop down into the 50s, sometimes even the high 40s at night. So if you're camping out, make sure you got a jacket and a heavy blanket. Very important. Mud boots, very important. You know, the last 2 years have been quite muddy here at the Joe Nall. It's pretty rare it's ever done that before. You know, in the past it would rain, it'd be some mud, but nothing too bad. But so you definitely want to have your mud boots available as well. And camping is great. There's food. There's usually food. Whoops, where'd the wing go? I'm trying to find the wing here. There we go. There's, like I said, there isn't food here necessarily on day one, because even the food vendors are setting up. But day two forward, there's food available. But many folks did luck out. There was the ice cream that was available on day one. And let's be honest, folks, if you can't find food, you always have room for ice cream. All right, there they go. Pilot's going out there with the captain and the Navy. I'm sorry, they're going out with the Navy there. That's it, going out with the Navy. Is the battery not working? Okay, I'll let them know. I'll tell them. They're working their way out to the wing there, folks. Sorry for the shakiness, folks. Don't have stabilization on the camera. Try to do the best I can, because I'm just too cheap. What can I say? Too cheap to buy a better camera. All right, he's got the wing. And he's heading left there. to go and recover the fuselage. Stay with us, folks. Crash coverage here. Here at Plane Fun RC, we'd like to know what happened to the airplane after the crash. Most videos just cut out and leave you wondering, what happened? Not here. All right, there it is right there, the Triple Tree Navy. We're approaching the downed ship to recover the plane. Such an abrupt crash. I'm sorry I didn't catch it going down. Just all of a sudden it went down, and next thing you know it was in the water. Let's see what we got here, folks. Well, the fuselage was submerged, so oh, that's pretty bad, folks. You can see the fuselage looks like it's broken in half. Ooh, that is bad. Look at that, folks. You can see it right there. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Well, these things happen, folks. Fortunately, he's here at Triple Tree. Extreme Flight is here. They've got some kits for sale. Maybe he'll get lucky and head on over there, purchase another one. All right, friends, I think we've seen what happened. And with that, I say, more to come.